You are drowning in tabs, Jungle Scout, ChatGPT, Design AI, Alibaba, Reddit, Amazon reviews, TikTok trends, and after all that work, you still guess what to sell, how to design it, and who can actually manufacture it. That's the problem. Can you believe it? There is a solution. There is an AI tool that can make your business idea real, called Accio 2.0. This is where business is made real. Let's dive in. It makes the whole startup process a lot simpler, and it can save you money too. Now, what is Accio? Accio is the world's first AI sourcing agent, built to answer the only two questions that matter in product business: what to sell and who can make it. Over 3 million product-first businesses already use it, and with Accio 2.0 launching early this year and already launched, they've rebuilt everything around one clean end-to-end flow: trend analysis, production-ready design, and multi-platform sourcing. Let me show you how it works in practice. Click on the link down in the description and I'll show you why this is honestly worth trying. Now first, product selection. Most people copy Amazon bestsellers or chase TikTok vibes. That's how margins die. Accio does the opposite. It pulls data from social platforms like YouTube, Reddit, and Pinterest, retails platforms like Amazon, Shein, TikTok Shop, Temu, Shopee, and B2B platforms like Alibaba and 1688. Then it connects the dots across all of it. A complaint in Amazon reviews today, a spike in Reddit threads this week, and suddenly you see what's about to pop on TikTok Shop next month. You don't get a messy spreadsheet. You get structured insights, visuals, sources, and clear recommendations you can actually act on. Then you'll know exactly what product to pick to sell. Now, say you want to build something in athleisure. Instead of guessing leggings versus tops, you ask Accio to analyze performance wear niches. It might surface a specific pocketed running short that's trending in communities, reviewing well on one marketplace, but still underserved elsewhere. That's how you spot opportunity before saturation. Next is where most tools fail. Pretty concepts are useless if factories can't build them. Accio 2.0 focuses on production-ready design. Not just images, but full tech packs, bill of materials, construction details, specs, lifestyle renders, technical sheets, and process diagrams. All grounded in market data, industry standards, and global compliance. Now, instead of paying agencies and waiting weeks, you iterate in-house. You describe the product, Accio pulls in trend context and regulations, and outputs a complete package factories can follow. Even huge brands like Nike and Apple have lost money on design errors. Accio is built to catch issues early, ensure consistency across units, and reduce the risk of costly production surprises. Now, sourcing. Normally this means open Alibaba.com, AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, 1688, and so much more, and manually comparing. Accio collapses all of that into one view. It searches across platforms like Alibaba, AliExpress, 1688, Amazon, and others, then organizes results by tabs so comparison is easy. You see more options, validate supplies faster, and avoid missing better deals elsewhere. Now that full flow is what makes Accio different. Jungle Scout and Helium 10 focus on existing marketplace data, not emerging social trends. General AI tools are flexible, but lack deep commerce data and professional product frameworks. Accio combines all of it into one specialist tool designed for real business outcomes. Yes, it's not a general chatbot, and that's the point. If you care about going from idea to factory-ready product with real suppliers, this is built for you. So, if you're tired of guessing and juggling tools, Accio 2.0 is definitely worth a serious look. Trends become strategy, ideas become production-ready designs, and supplier lists become a real supply chain. Check it out via the link in the description to get an exclusive free trial link. Try the trend analysis, push the production-ready design, and tell me in the comments what product you'd build with it. And if you want more real workflows on AI and business, definitely subscribe to AI Arena and learn about how you use AI tools in your business and make money. Thank you all for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one.